everyone, it's David Fraser from Bunkie Life here, and I'm super excited to give you a quick walkthrough tour of our brand new 2020 Bunkie with Loft. I'm underneath the overhang right now, and I'll give you the inside tour. As you can see on the outside here, it's got nice long windows on the side, those open, big opening door, and another long window. Just gonna take my shoes off. All right, so we're here inside. Now, this is the ground floor, and right now it's just set up with some furniture, but lots of room for a bed if you want to fit even a bunk bed would fit very easily in there, or a queen size bed, just like our other kids, you can do that no problem. This big window here opens, as well as this big window here, and then here's the front from where I came in the door, and those opening windows there. Now, this is exactly 10 by 10 inside. It's as big as you can possibly be without needing a permit. So the entire square footage falls just under the 10 meters or 10 square meters that's required by the interior building code. And so this interior feels quite spacious even compared to our other bunkies, and it's an exact square. Now, the most exciting part about it is the loft. So let me show you the loft. So this is the ladder to get up there. And this ladder can be anywhere. I put mine on the side, but I could have just easily installed it in the middle or on the side. And it's also movable. Mine's attached right now, but it can be moved. So depending on how you build your railing, if you choose to build a railing, you could have this anywhere, or just not build a railing and then have it be sliding anywhere you want it. Here's the most exciting part about this loft. This is the loft, and that is a queen size mattress, but it would actually, I've done the math, you can fit a king size. And as you can tell, I'm 6 feet and I'm able to stand up. This is 78 inches above my head here, and it's very comfortable to stand even on the side here. So as far as loft goes, this is quite the epic loft. And here's the view down back to the ground floor. So, tons of space. The loft window there is quite large and it opens as well. And there's tons of room for extra furniture, as you can see here. So that's basically our 2020 loft model. It's made in Quebec, and we're super excited to be bringing it to the Bunkie Life community this coming year. So if you're interested in ordering, give me a call, 1-866-4-BUNKIE, or shoot me an email at david@bunkielife.com.